Looking to extend your Ethernet cables without losing speed or stability? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best RJ45 connectors that guarantee reliable performance for your home, office, or professional network setups. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Onti NS-R RJ45 connector. The Onti NS-RJ45 connector is a versatile networking accessory designed to facilitate seamless Ethernet connections. This adapter serves as a female-to-female extension, allowing users to connect 2 Ethernet cables easily without needing to replace existing cables or disrupt current setups. Compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7 cables, it supports a wide range of network speeds and ensures flexibility in various networking environments. Featuring the standard 8P8C modular connector format, the Onti NS-R RJ45 connector maintains the integrity of your network signals, providing a reliable and stable link between devices. This makes it an ideal solution for extending the reach of Ethernet cables in homes, offices, or any setting requiring network connectivity over longer distances. The compact and straightforward design of the Onti RJ45 connector ensures quick and hassle-free installation. Users can simply plug the adapter between 2 Ethernet cables to create a longer cable run, enhancing convenience when rearranging equipment or managing network layouts. Its compatibility with multiple cable categories means it can work effectively with existing infrastructure, making it a practical choice for upgrading or expanding networks without additional complex tools or technical expertise. Overall, the Onti NS-R RJ45 connector provides an efficient and practical solution for extending Ethernet connections. Its universal compatibility and easy-to-use design contribute to improved network flexibility, supporting smooth data transfer and communication across devices. Whether for professional network setups or everyday internet access, this adapter is a helpful tool to keep Ethernet connections intact and adaptable to changing needs. Coming in at number 4, we have the Unnlink RJ45 connector. The Unnlink RJ45 connector is designed to deliver reliable and high-quality network performance for both home and professional use. Featuring a metal shield with a gold-plated interface, this connector ensures strong wear resistance while maintaining stable signal transmission. This robust shielding also provides effective anti-interference protection, which is essential in environments with multiple electronic devices. One standout feature of the Unnlink RJ45 connector is its built-in anti-lightning capacitor. This component helps reduce damage caused by power surges, offering an additional layer of protection to your valuable network equipment. Whether you're setting up a home office or a data center, this safety measure enhances the longevity of your devices. The connector supports lossless transmission at speeds up to 100 meters, making it ideal for gigabit Ethernet networks. This high-speed capability is achieved through the use of pure copper cables that minimize signal degradation, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted data flow across your network. Inside, the connector utilizes a thickened PCB printed circuit board, which contributes to stable electrical performance and efficient heat dissipation. This prevents overheating during extended usage, maintaining optimal function without compromise. Durability is further reinforced by the use of engineering-grade ABS material in the connector's housing. This impact-resistant plastic not only withstands physical stress, but also offers excellent heat resistance, ensuring the connector remains reliable even in demanding conditions. Together, these features make the Unnlink RJ45 connector a dependable choice for users who require consistent network connectivity and device protection. It combines quality materials and thoughtful engineering to support stable and fast network communication while safeguarding equipment from environmental hazards. At number 3, the Vention IPW RJ45 connector. The Vention IPW RJ45 connector stands out as a versatile and reliable solution for Ethernet connectivity designed to meet the demands of modern networking environments. Compatible with Cat8 and Cat6 cables, this RJ45 coupler ensures seamless integration by supporting connections between Cat6, Cat7, and Cat5e cables. This broad compatibility makes it an excellent choice for users needing flexibility across various Ethernet standards, enabling smooth network setups without compatibility concerns. Installation is simplified thanks to its easy plug-and-play design. The fully wrapped plug sleeve ensures a secure connection while eliminating the need for additional tools, streamlining the setup process for both professional installers and everyday users. This feature enhances convenience and reduces setup time, making it accessible for different user skill levels. Durability is a key aspect of the Vention IPW RJ45 connector. Constructed from a single-piece PVC shell, it provides robust protection against physical wear and environmental factors. Inside, gold-plated phosphor bronze pins contribute to maintaining a consistent and reliable connection over extended periods. These materials not only offer longevity, but also contribute to superior electrical performance. The wide range of applications for the Vention IPW RJ45 connector includes home networks, office environments, educational institutions, coffee shops, and monitor system setups. Its adaptability and robust construction make it a dependable choice for extending and maintaining network connections in diverse settings, ensuring users experience consistent and high-quality Ethernet connectivity wherever it is deployed. In the second spot, we have the Baseus BS-OH121 RJ45 connector. The Baseus BS-OH121 RJ45 connector is a versatile networking accessory designed to seamlessly extend Ethernet connections while maintaining high performance. Compatible with a wide range of Ethernet standards, including Cat8, Cat7, Cat6, and Gigabit Ethernet cables, this connector supports diverse network setups, making it a practical solution for various environments. Its female-to-female design allows for easy and secure attachment to existing cables without requiring extra hardware or tools. This plug-and-play functionality makes extending network cables quick and hassle-free, ideal for users who need to lengthen their Ethernet connections without complications. One of the key advantages of the Baseus BS-OH121 is its ability to extend network cables up to 100 meters, enabling efficient wiring across homes, offices, or other spaces. Despite the extended length, the connector ensures stable data transmission with speeds supporting 1000 megabits per second and 100 megabits per second, delivering download speeds of up to 125 megabits per second. This means users can enjoy uninterrupted network performance without any reduction in speed. Enhanced metal shielding improves signal quality by minimizing interference, resulting in smooth and lag-free connections. This feature is especially beneficial for activities that demand reliable bandwidth, such as online gaming, where it helps prevent frame drops and latency issues. Overall, the Baseus BS-OH121 RJ45 connector offers a practical, efficient way to extend Ethernet cables without compromising speed or signal quality, ensuring a high-speed and stable network experience anywhere within the coverage area. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ugreen NW114 RJ45 connector. The Ugreen NW114 RJ45 connector is designed to deliver high-speed and reliable network connectivity, supporting speeds up to 1 gigabits per second. Compatible with Cat7 and Cat6 Ethernet cables, this connector is suitable for both home and industrial network setups, providing versatility across various environments. Constructed with pure copper-plated tentacles, the connector ensures strong signal transmission and high-speed performance without compromise. The precise alignment and secure fit of its 8 connection pins guarantee that data signals pass through without any loss of integrity or lag, maintaining a stable and efficient connection. The Ugreen NW114 features a robust, flame-retardant ABS casing that offers durability and safety, making it resistant to environmental factors. Additionally, a 3-layer shielding process minimizes electromagnetic interference, which further supports stable signal transmission and consistent network speeds. Designed with user convenience in mind, the connector employs a snap-in mechanism that ensures a tight, secure fit without the risk of loosening during use. This plug-and-play design eliminates the need for additional tools or setup, allowing for quick and effortless installation. Overall, the Ugreen NW114 RJ45 connector combines high-quality materials and thoughtful engineering to provide a reliable and efficient solution for extending or connecting Ethernet cables, ensuring fast and stable network performance across various applications.